house is where we spend most of our time, so if we can get that right, I think we can all feel as though we're contributing something more than just watching the news and worrying about things. And if you can walk into a sustainable home and go, this feels light-filled, it feels comfortable, I wonder if I could get a home like that.
The passive design, if you start there, then your energy usage is really reduced.
The house wants to stay warm in winter and wants to stay cool in summer, so it's just us working with it.
We have the angled ceilings, the eaves, so we get the sunlight in winter and not in summer. We've got the slab to heat that up, that's our thermal mass.
And you get a feel on a day like today, the sunlight coming through, it's a winter's day, it's probably 10 degrees outside, but it's 21 in here. And that's done by the house because the sunlight's coming in and warming things up. That's the main thing. Then after that, it's how you build, using sustainable materials, sustainable building methods, and then you top that off with solar panels so that the energy you do get, most of it's coming from a solar panel.
Sustainability is actually about things that last, sustaining. We dismantled a 70-year-old timber-framed house. So instead of getting a bulldozer in and pulling it down, knocking it down in 2 days, we spent 2 weeks dismantling it by hand. It was a similar cost, actually, to do it, but we ended up with loads of materials that were really amazing to be able to be used again. The whole development has been constructed off an off-grid power station, which is just a really small 1.4 kilowatt system on a shed that we built at the property. Everything that you see has been built from solar power. If we can build 3 houses in a little suburban site off a tiny off-grid system, I think that human beings can do a lot better than what they're doing.
And I think it's just a much more enjoyable way of living. Our house blends with the outdoors, but it's still very comfortable.
And we do have that connection with the house that we're opening and closing windows and thinking about what will do best for it. It's beautiful. It's so comfortable.
Housing is where you can make a big difference. This is what it looks like.